Hello everyone, my name is Oluwatosin Oludare. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So yeah, let's get straight into the video to find out what this video is about. So if you guessed right, we'll be making hummus. I first discovered hummus when I went to Dubai. Hummus is a traditional Mediterranean dish. It's very delicious. It's considered a dip or a spread. Our first ingredient is chickpeas, followed by our spices, salt, paprika, and cumin, lemon juice, some tahini butter, cloves of garlic, olive oil, and water. So these are the ingredients you need. Our star ingredient, chickpeas, is a legume, just like you have beans, and it's very beneficial for preventing diabetes, good for bone health, blood pressure. Bottom line is chickpeas is very good. So the first thing we'll do is to pour the chickpeas, put into your food processor, add in your oil, and then you add in your garlic, you add in your tahini, you add in the spices and the lemon juice. So once that is done, you begin to blend. So I love to gradually add in water. Basically, you determine the consistency of how you want your hummus to be. If you want it to be a little bit, if you want it to be a runny texture, you add in more water. But I was conscious of my water input here. I check it and then I add in more water again. And with this, I'm good with the consistency. You could have a hummus with carrots, you could have hummus with cucumber, you could have hummus with bread. It's a very delicious recipe. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and check my other videos. I promise you'll enjoy it. Thank you very much. Until my next video again. Bye.